Hello friends, this is Banaras soft silk saree. I have done work on this blouse like this, lace work. I had lace with me this type. God stitched it just, and these are the patches I have attached, this side and this side. Since the blouse was grand, I didn't do much of handwork. I just made the lace stitched like this for this side. And for this bangles matching, I have done this. I am having this type of these are my bangle collection. This is the colors, red color for this blouse matching. You can either wear only red or you can make the combination like this. Or like this. Whichever you want, you can do combination like this. These are the red bangles. I have some this golden color, so that for the silk saree it goes matches well for all the silk sarees. These are the color. And this is the gajra for this, garland for this, or you can wear this comb also. I had done handmade by me, and one this golden color flower I have made which suits for all the silk sarees, this one. Or either you can wear this type of comb. This is the other sarees, and these are the bindi collection of mine. These are grand bindis for sarees and all, you can wear along with the saree, they match well. For this saree I had brought this color which goes very well with the red. This red color. These are the bindi collection. For saree, on saree you can wear the bigger bindis, and for dress also I have a collection. These are the bindi collection like this, color for different chudidar colors. I have taken mostly maroon so that it suits on all the colors. See friends, these are the colors. And these are some of the, this one is very grand one, and these are the daily wear one, color dress accordingly, or maroon. This is the grand one again. Color one, maroon ones, colored ones. These are my bindi collection. This another work I made on this saree, hand work. This is the stone work I made first, patch, pure patch work I've done, a bit grand. First I made sticked it with a glue, and then I made a running stitch to it. This is the lace, kundan stones. First I glued these stones, and then with the running stitch I fixed it with a running stitch. This is the saree, and kuch work is like this for. For this saree, I brought these bangles last time. These are the bangles, pink color. You can wear this also. It will match accordingly for the saree. And some of the metal bangles are here. You can wear them on a dress or something, chudidar, grand functional dress. These all are glass bangles, friends. Orange, maroon, cream, pink, green, purple, sky blue. Thank you, friends. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my videos.